For today's video, I will share with you the 4 steps to finding favor with friends. Every one of us wants to have good friends. But in order to have a good friend, you must learn to be one. There are very real reasons why everyone seems to like some people, while others are constantly rejected. Now, here are 4 practical steps to finding good friends. First, break out of your shell of fear. Don't wait for people to reach out to you. Instead, be bold to say hello to people and make conversation to them. Second, give friends their space. Don't monopolize people's time or constantly follow them around.